Hey guys, so now working on part number 5 of problem sheet 1. So first thing we need to be doing though is starting a new page. Now metric, standard millimeters, IPT, create. So we're going to create that one. Now before I make this a bit bigger, just having a look here. So now we're going to go 30 across, 20 up, and then it's a 10, 10, 10 split again. So all those little parts at the top are all 10, and just making that that U shape. I'm going to say upside down N. It's a U. Okay, so making that U shape and then extruding it 50. So we can see that's pretty straightforward. So let's get to it and let's go through it. Making sure as well though, guys, just as I'm starting to do, so start 2D sketch, selecting edit, XZ plane, making sure you guys know that you only have to do a minimum of 4 of 1 to 16 and then doing 17, 18, 19 and 20. So just reiterating again, those are all you have to do. So you only have to do 8 minimum, and then you can do as many as you want. So you can do all 20 if you wanted. So just what I thought I'd reiterate that. So now we're going to be going over here to go into line, clicking on the yellow square again, and then going to the right and making that 30. Press enter. So now we're just going to be doing that tracing that we were doing before. So if I click on top to make it a little bit bigger for you guys, going straight up 20, enter, and we're going across 10, making sure we've got that 90 degrees set there as well. We're going to go down 10. It'll also snap though. You can see there, so I don't actually have to type it. I can just click, and then I can go across 10. That one won't snap. It's got nothing there to snap to. As you can see there, that'll snap. So as soon as I go up to the top, it'll snap to that line there, and I can click. And then going all the way across again, it snaps to that line there. And then it'll go green, and I can snap it to the bottom there. So you can see that it's super easy to do. It's a lot like that T-shape we did for part number 3, I think. So yeah, that other one. So actually, I'll bring it up. So yeah, as just like we did with part number 4. So that was silly. Yeah, part number 4. So we've got that there. I can go 3D model, and then we're going to extrude that, and we're going to extrude at 50. So if it ever doesn't come up, it means you have actually not connected lines properly. So we're going to extrude this one 50. So 50, enter. Then when we have a look at that, so you can see there, we're all done. So that looks just about exactly the same as the picture I've got here. Always double checking, making sure you might have got a measurement wrong or whatnot. So just double checking and having a quick glance. I'm having a quick glance because I've done this before, but you guys might want to have a bit of a look. So there we go. So that's part number 5 done. So then just making sure I save this as well. So saving it, and we're up to part number 5, just like that, and this should be in your H drive. And I've said that every video, but you've got to be saving them in your H drive so you won't lose them, because it's not like the school servers are going to explode anytime soon. So there's part 5 done, and we're going to be moving on to part 6. So hopefully you guys are okay with that and ready to move on to part 6.